DSG farts, then you see me breeze. Automatic DSG farts, it's a new thing. AMG boys, we're lurking out.
Here today we're actually doing a POV drive, potentially the last POV drive in this car for a bit of time. So as you all know, I am looking at getting the new car, but the new car will be replacing nothing. It will be my second car, so it will be a project car for the channel. I haven't actually said anything about this car yet, so we're going to get a project car and then we will be getting a car to replace the Polo, but that won't be for a year or so. But yeah, we're going to be getting a project car hopefully the end of next month. I have got my new wheels on the car right now. My hay fever is up, so please ignore that. But yeah, the new wheels are on the car, so I'm not going to show you yet. You've got to wait till next Sunday. And I will be at Calvin's Car Diaries show, which is like a massive CCD event that he does every year. I am a special guest, which is crazy to me. So thank you to Calvin for inviting me. MSB and all the people there, all the big YouTubers are going to be there. So yeah, it's going to be insane. That is going to be a good video as well. But next Sunday will be the drop of my new wheels, and you guys will see that. And if you are at CCD event, you will see them first before the YouTube video. But yeah, without further ado, let's get out in the little drive. This will be the last one for a little bit in the Polo GTI until we get the daily, and then that will be some sick little videos on that. I will be tuning it a little bit, not too much, but it will be a cool little car. The only hint I'm going to be giving you guys is the fact that it's a diesel. Now if you're a close friend, comment below the car, because I know you know. People that watch these videos and are my close friends, you will know what car I am getting next. But yeah, without further ado, let's get in drive. Let's get out the video. Ignore the tyre pressure. I've just put the new wheels on, so I need to recalibrate the settings. I can't be able to do that yet. So yeah, but let's get out in the car. Let's go for a little drive. I'm not going to rag it too much. But yeah, let's get out in it and let's go for a drive. So it looks like someone has put a bunch of crap on my windscreen. So we will get it off quick before we go for a drive. Try and cover so you guys cannot see the wheels. But yeah, we've got to get that off. That's going to annoy me in the video. So cool, so we get that off. Without further ado, let's get into our little drive. Also, what do you guys think of the new crepes? These are like Air Max 3s. I don't know if they're any good, but they look sick and they go with my Under Armour shorts, so I thought I'd got some Air Max 3s. Yeah, let me know what you think of these in the comments. I thought I'd change it up. I always talk about cars, so my other passion is fashion. So what do you think about the Air Max 3s? I think they're pretty sick. Got them on sale, £120. They're normally like 180, so yeah, I'm not gonna diss that. So yeah, we got the AC on because it is absolutely boiling outside. I bet it's 29 degrees outside, so yeah, we are definitely going to be driving with the AC on. But we've got performance monitor on, so a lot of people were asking how I actually get the performance monitor. Now I believe, oh my, that pothole was mad. I believe you only get the performance monitor when you get your if you send your unit off to someone that can like map them or code them for you. That's how I got mine done. And yeah, I get Apple CarPlay and I get the boost bar gauge and I get the thermostat and the coolant temp as well. So it's pretty helpful because I know all my temps are there. Especially in this weather, you need to know your temps because you can be booting it and it gets very hot very quickly. So you don't want to blow anything up or anything. But yeah, man, it gets very hot. What? There's a pink Hummer. Why is there a huge pink Hummer in a fucking filling bob? Got people looking at me like I'm a weirdo again. Ugh, imagine taking your car to one of them. If you take your car to one of them auto clean things, you're actually a weirdo. Like, I don't care what you say, bruv, you're actually weird. If you take your car to an auto clean person, you're actually just, you're a different breed, because your car will get mashed up. Ooh, that wasn't very nice. Your car will get mashed up in there. But yeah, so the wheels I've now got are Bowlers, and a lot of people will know that already, so there's no point hiding that. But the tyres we've got on them are actually Davanti, I believe it's called, Davanti tyres. Now are the performance ones. I will leave the specs of the tyres in the description, and you can go to Wheelbase Alloys, which is where I got the wheels from and where they sent me out them from, and you can go on there and use my code DSG25, which gets you 25% off the whole website, any tyres, any wheels. So I'd recommend you guys, you know, you go and do that. I'll leave the link in the description to them as well. Obviously I will plug them a lot more in the next video when I actually reveal the wheels. Tyre Point fitted them for me because they are the best in the game, and yeah, we love Tyre Point, so they always fit my stuff. But yeah, let's turn the AC off because we're going to lose horsepower otherwise. But yeah, so after I'd done that video with the misfire, the warning light actually came back. So I've just put some new spark plugs and core packs in, all of them this time, not just 2 of them. I've done the other 2 as well. And I've also just chucked some more injector cleaner in it, just to see if it's the BP petrol, because every time I've done it, every time the warning light came up, it only came up twice, and both times I had BP 97 in it. And now I've been using Shell for a solid, like Shell 99 for a solid 2 weeks. I've not actually had that problem come back. So I've used some injector cleaner just to see if it gets rid of the, I don't know, the bad petrol, and we'll see if that fixes the problem. Hopefully it does. But yeah, let's put the window down. We're up to temp anyway. We've got 102. Yeah, so the car normally runs at about 105. So tyres are good though, these Davanti tyres. They're such good tyres, man. For the money, I don't think you're going to get a better tyre. I believe they're like £90 a tyre, these performance tyres. Now I've only had them on for 2 days or a day, but I've personally not had a problem with them yet. So I recommend these tyres. That was the only little boot I'm probably going to do in this video. Can't wait to get the new little daily. The daily is going to be such a little car because it's going to be a car that I don't really care about. So it's going to be a ding dong, but at the same time, the car that I'm getting is a very tunable car, a very tunable diesel car. Some of you people probably already know what I'm on about, and it is already getting hot in here. Some of you people probably know what I'm on about already, but it's a sick little car, man. So I personally can't wait to get it because I love having a cool little car, and I've never actually had a daily car before. So for me, it's going to be a daily project car, and I will be taking it to shows. It is not DSG, and I know that could be a bit of a problem for the channel, obviously DSG Powerfire, but we've got one DSG, so that's all that matters. And it is still Volkswagen Audi group. It's not a Volkswagen or Audi, but it's Volkswagen Audi group, so it still counts, and it is all sick. But if you guys didn't see, Calvin actually made a poster for me going to his car show, which was so, not weird, but cool. Like, I'm not used to that because obviously I'm still building the following and still getting there. So to see that kind of just pop up and him say you made it for me. So honestly, I love Calvin so much. He's such a cool guy. He's helped me. Like, I don't think he realize, well, he might realize now because I always tell him, but he doesn't realize how much he's actually helped me with YouTube, following wise and building the channel. So I honestly thank Calvin so much. He's actually helped me. So it's only right that we go to his event and we pull up, we do a sick little YouTube video. Hopefully we can get MSB and I think some other people. I think Evil GT are going, Motor Addicts are going, Jamie's going from Officially Gassed, which is cool. It'd be good to meet him because I know I work with him with Sugarcoat. So yeah, it'll be sick. So I can't wait to go. I'm personally going to be really excited. My dad's also going in the Mark V Supra, so we're going to have a cool little convoy going up. And yeah, it's going to be a good show. So hopefully it's a good day. Hopefully no rain. Hopefully it's sunny, and it should be all good. Should be a good little, I don't know, it should be good. So if you are going, let me know in the comments. And if you haven't got a ticket yet, go and get one before it sells out. I believe they might be all sold out. They might be sold out already, but I know they are going to be sold out. So make sure you go and get your ticket. You don't want to be on the day and going, I wish I bought a ticket and you didn't. Oi! It's an RS6 in Nardo Grey. You guys know I love an RS. I don't care what one, but I love all the RSs. But yeah, so if you haven't got a ticket, go and get the ticket because you need a ticket. There's no point not going. It's on a Sunday. What else are you going to do on a Sunday? Like, literally nothing. So get a ticket and I'll see you there because it's going to be a good day. And I know you guys love a good little PIV drive, so I thought I'll do a last little drive for you. But I'm probably going to end it here. We haven't really done too much in this video. It was just a cruise. I hope you guys rate the new crepes. I actually keep looking at them. I actually love them. They're called Air Max 3s, and for some reason they just look sick. Like, I don't know. I saw them online. I was like, yeah, I'm not sure about that. And then I saw some boy wearing them at car meet. I went, yes. So I copped them, and they're cheap, like 118 quid on sale. So let me know if you buy anything, and I'll probably send you something out for free. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next YouTube video. Follow me on Instagram at Dealership Panther. We're almost at 11k on Instagram, so carry on following that. And I'll see you guys in the next YouTube video.